Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining while charging. So to make sure to optimize this, you want to go to settings, but first please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Now we're going to go to settings and battery right here, and then click battery health and charging. As you can see, I have turned on the optimized battery charging, so make sure to turn this on because it optimizes the charging and helps your battery. Also, another one is to check for maximum capacity. As you can see at the top, I have 92%. If your battery maximum capacity is below 90, uh, I would suggest maybe to even change your battery, but we'll see. Another one is to go to your general settings and click background app refresh. So as you can see, when in low power mode, background app refresh is disabled because I have turned on that uh, lower power mode. It's turned off, so make sure to do this. It saves the battery. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you can fix your battery draining while charging. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.